Good morning. It is another day. Today is a day of checking out new things. So probably go off to the fall, some kind of another fall. I don't know, a spring, hot spring. I don't know. Just stay tuned, and we'll see where we go. But it's always an adventure here in the Philippines. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? We are at some kind of mountain that's all steamed out, so we're gonna check it out with the drone and I need to make sure what filter to put on for cloudy day. But other than that, that's what I'm doing right now, so you guys can relax and enjoy the flight. Stinks here, so we're out of here, and it's starting to rain, so we can't really fly the drone, so we're out of here. At a waterfall that you have not seen before in your entire life, because I'm showing you first. This is a hidden exclusive waterfall that you guys are gonna see first. Here it is. It's bigger than Niagara Falls. Pretty big, right? Can't get this anywhere else but in the Philippines, right? Is it cold? Yeah, is it cold? Cold? There you go, it's a little too cold for me, so I am not going in because this guy does not do cold water. Alright? Let's go in this guy. Alright, Jeb chickened out because it's too cold for him. Too cold for Jeb. Jeb can't handle the cold water. I mean, I could if I wanted to go in. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna jump, Jeb. No. Yeah. Do a flip. I'll do a flip. You already did? Yeah.
Selfie.
That's right. Jeb, you're not going in?
Selfie. Okay kayo. Where are you from? What country?
United States.
What's that in the US?
California.
California. Nude beach.
Los Angeles.
Have you heard about a nude beach or naked beach in California?
Naked beach?
Yeah, nude beach.
No.
I heard. Just
Maybe
like that in California.
Northern California.
Might be. Are you on holiday here or you're living here?
Vacation. Holiday.
Oh, you're on holiday.
Yeah.
Are they your friends?
That's my wife's brother and her brother, another brother. Two brothers. We are in hot spring, natural spring, here in the Philippines.
It's okay. I'm not shy.
What is going on? There's an old guy with a younger girl. Anyways, this is where we are. What is this place called?
Red Rock Hot Springs.
Red Rock Hot Springs. Now you've seen it. Now you don't have to come. There you go.
Red Rock Hot
It's an interesting vibe here, Christian. It's a little different vibe here. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's a, I don't know, are they cooking up in here? What? Are they cooking up in here? What is going on?
Yeah, is this playing?
Yeah. What were you gonna say?
No, nothing.
Tell me after.
Water's good?
Water's good. To the bath. I'm taking a bath. Alright, we're out of here. We are leaving the hot springs. Oh yeah, you gotta pay here. I think it's like 70 pesos to come in here. But we're leaving. Because this place is sketched out. That's where we're at. We're trying some pizza, see if it's as good as New York. Is it like New York pizza? Alright, he says it's like New York pizza. We'll see about it. So yeah, next time you see me, I will be eating this pizza because it's supposed to be really good here in the Philippines. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and hopefully it's good. All right, here it is.
Oh, really tiny pepperoni bag.
Miniature pepperoni. The guy said it was like New York style.
Oh.
So this is the test. Here's the test, so you guys know the rules. Here we go. One slice. Feels like New York style, but here we go.
Was it bad, guys? Yeah?
It's got a unique taste.
Did you say easy on the cheese?
They couldn't even do that.
That's actually this bread is actually popular.
Cheese is very sticky.
Okay, you try the other one. You did all pepperoni?
Yeah, it has pepperoni.
There's pepperoni. Because I'm sure the other ones will be there. Same. Alright. Score on this pizza?
1 to 10.
Probably a 1.
What?
One of those pizza.
Is it very bad?
You can eat it. That's why it's a 1. You can still eat it.
Yeah.
But not in like New York.
Compared to the pepperoni in America.
I'll still eat it, but other than that, day's over. Saying goodnight because I will see you tomorrow. Later.